Good day to all employer. My name is Kimberly Pilayo. I was born on October 13, 1997. I'm 26 years old and I'm a single mother. I have one son and he is 5 years old now. I'm undergraduate college level. In my first job experience, I work as a customer service crew at Jollibee store in Philippines in 3 years from 2017 to 2020. In my second job experience, I work as a barista in Philippines in 1 year from 2020 to 2021. In my last job experience, I work as a domestic helper in Amman, Jordan in 2 years from 2022 to 2024. I work at 4 members family, 2 elderly and 2 adult. They have 2 dogs and they have 2 cars. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and marketing, and many more. I am responsible, hardworking, trustworthy, honest, loving, and caring. If you choose me, I promise that I will be a good domestic helper and stay in your family as long as you need me. I hope that you will choose me as your domestic helper. Thank you and God bless.